I always wanted my teeth to be straighter. I always wanted to, my natural shape wasn't, as I knew as good as it could have been. So I wanted to search out options for that, My goal was to get a nice straight smile, and I always wanted to get the veneers. So I was able to do the porcelain veneers, but before doing those, I did the whitening. My teeth had a naturally kind of roundish shape to them, so I put veneers across the top and front four. It all started with a postcard. I live not too far away, and SoFi Dental sent me a postcard, and I had been looking for a dentist because I just moved to the area a year or so before. So I came here. The first person I met coming in the door was Nikki, who immediately made me feel at home. And then as I met Dr. Pena, she was also, I don't know, over the last 2 years, it's kind of almost become like family because I've been in and out, with different stages of the process, and in a very informative but non-salesy kind of way. They kind of told me what my options were, and said if you want to do that, we can certainly help you out. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, it just comes out. It's in everything you do. And then I happen to be in sales, so it absolutely helps. Your outer appearance and just that feeling of that you're feeling your best and looking your best, is absolutely helpful. Certainly in my line of work, and it spills over into all aspects of your life.